Welcome guys, Greg here, SiteEng, and in today's video we're gonna do resection. We're gonna just position our total station. I hope you enjoyed the last video where we set up our total station. We find a safe spot, we made sure the targets are visible, and we know what we're gonna be doing. We got all information. In today's one, time for the resection. So I got a nice iCON tablet here, and let's go. So I'm connected now at the minute, and I'm gonna be going now into the setup app. I showed you this in the very first video when we go through the applications on the iCON. Press setup here. Okay guys, so as I said, I'm gonna be going for setup here. So that's the setup, and in this case we're gonna be setting out anywhere. That's the resection called now, in this case Leica iCON. So I'm gonna press anywhere, and as you can see my bubble is a little bit off, so that's actually what I said in last video. Once we're going to be rotating that 1 foot screw, you can see the bubble now going in one direction, and wherever we're going to be rotating other 2 bolts in and out, that's going to be going perpendicular to this, so we're going to be leveling the bubble like I said. And then yeah, we are perfect, we are good to go now. And I'm just going to press that yellow dot here, and I got instrument height here, creates central station point code reflector. Doesn't really matter, we're going to be going for the yellow point again, and now we're going to be choosing the stations we use. So give me 1 second and I'm going to be going for it. So yeah, that's my 3 station here: SES 10, SES 9 and SES 8. I'm going to be doing resection based on these 3 points. So let's start. But I'm maybe quickly show you, I'm going to pick SES 08, and I just want to make sure I got the right prism here. So as I showed you in the first video, when we're going to be choosing the prisms and the height head there as well, we want to make sure we are using the proper one. So once I'm going to go here, I got the prism type, and this is Leica round prism, so this is highlighted yellow. This is very good, that's what I was looking for. And as you can see, this is set automatically, so once we set it, that's going to be properly set, as I said, automatically. But please always make sure you just double check it. And then we obviously want to make sure we got the right measure mode there. So I'm going to go here, measure mode, and yeah, I got a continuous with log. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go single auto, and as you can see here now, EDM going to show me 2-phase and measure. So now is the time to aim at the target. So yeah, the target is chosen, that our SES 08, which is a round prism there, and I'm going to be looking for it. It's actually quite close, this one. I always look at the top cross here, or at the bottom. Maybe in this case I got a little bit high. So okay, that might be even enough, but I just want to have a quick look through the optical. And now I'm ready to go. I'm going to be measuring 2-phase, so let's press it. Let's go. Point stored. So now I'm going to be going for my second target, which is over there, and that's going to be SES 09. So exactly the same. I'm going to just look for it really. Obviously I rotated the prisms before, but that's another one. You want to make sure you're going to see your target, so that's including rotating the prisms. So I'm on this one. I don't need to perfectly be in the center of this target. Obviously this is a log, so I'm going to find a target, and I'm going to set it now 2-phase again. So I got 2 points now shoot, and my resection would be actually ready. Calculated station within tolerance. As you can see, I shoot this one, and my second target was actually roughly around 90 degrees. So that's going to be our best resection, as a total station obviously calculates based on the distances and based on angles. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to shoot the third target anyway, but not sure if you can see this, but that third target going to be actually in the same line, nearly close to the same line as my first target. So I'm just going to shoot it like a check, like I said, just take it for sure. 3 targets minimum when we do setting out. I wouldn't get a really good resection if I just shoot them 2 targets. That's no go really for us, so that's another reason why we want to shoot 3. And as you can see on this one now, so I got a nice triangle here. It's green as well, and as I said, it's calculated within tolerance. Obviously the distribution of targets is good as well. And actually what I'm going to do now, I maybe quickly check what we're going to have, so we can actually check it here and have a look what we got. So as you can see, I got residual 0, so that's great, but that's another reason why we're going to be shooting the third one. Make sure we really know the error. So I'm just going to go back here, and I'm going to be adding the third target here, which is SES 10. And in this case, obviously the EDM knows its position now, so it can rotate itself. So let's have a look. And then again, I'm just going to press two face. Guys, for me that resection looks just great. And I'm just going to check the residuals now. I'm going to see what error I got. So I got 1 mil here, height is 1 mil as well, plus minus, but that's exactly what I'm looking for. This is perfect resection. If you got every single one like that, our life would be really nice. And I actually like to see the error. If I got over zeros, I feel a little bit anxious, you know. And I'm going to just accept it now. Again, tick. So station setup finish. The new station coordinates and orientations will be saved. That will be actually, guys, finito of our resection. So after we set up our total station, now we position it. We use the resection for it, which is anywhere in case of iCON. And what I can tell you as well, just make sure wherever you're going to be setting out, you should be actually within your resection. So when you shoot that triangle, ideally you would like to work within that triangle, inside it, as your error, your residuals going to be within it. If you start going beyond that, your error might be bigger. It might be actually bigger and bigger. So that will be another one. When we do the resection, we should be actually setting out within our control points. And most of jobs like residentials, all this stuff, you obviously got the targets outside the job and you're setting out inside. A bit different when you're building the bridge, or you got some different type of job. You need to make sure you actually remember about it. You're not just going to set out based on two close targets and you're just going to be going meters and hundreds of meters doing some setting out. It's not working this way. So guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you're interested in the videos like this showing the survey equipment, resections, obviously in the next one we're going to be marking the points, we're going to be marking the lines, and this is the most important thing we site engineers need to know, and know how to do it and do it well without mistakes. So yeah, thank you again. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if not yet. See you.